Hey, what's up? The Lord of Wine here, and I just wanted to do a quick little Amazon review of this electric wine opener that I got from Quntis. As a sommelier, you can never have enough wine openers and bottle openers around, so I went online, ordered this thing up, and I kind of wanted to do a quick little video for you guys. So let's see how this thing works. So it comes with a handful of things in the box. It's got a foil cutter, obviously the wine opener itself, a little pour spout, and this thing sucks the air out and preserves your wine. So, all right, so let's see how the foil cutter works. You just basically put it on top, you squeeze, and it comes right off. All right, foil cutter works. 5 stars. All right. Very nice. Cool. I owned one of these a long time ago, and I lost it in a move, so I was really excited to get this one. In the mail. So thanks so much for the awesome product.